This is George Head from Technology and Computing Services here at Emporia State University. Today we're going to take a look at the Jones Conference Room here in Visser Hall. This is room 330. Now, as you can see, this is also an AMX Touchpanel. We also have a microphone that is mounted right into the podium. And what we don't have with us today are the Revo Labs wireless mics, and we will save that for another session. But for today, we're just going to go into the simple operation of this room. Located to the entrance of this room is where we keep the settings for the lighting here in this room. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sit this down. I'm going to activate the lights so you can see a little bit better what's going on here in the room. As you can see, the room is now fully lit towards the top of the ceiling. You can see the projector. To the front of the room, we have the screen. Up above, you will notice that we have cameras located in the room for the sake of our Panato recordings. So let's get back to the AMX touch panel. I'm going to simply press here. Here is prompting me to turn on the system. It's going to flash. It's going to take about a minute or so for it to warm up. Make sure that when you're using this room that your PC is completely turned on, which is located inside the podium. Another feature in this room is the Samsung document camera, which is located in the side drawer. Now, this piece of equipment is directly connected to the PC, so you don't have to use the document camera setting located here in the touch panel. Now, since we're going to be using the PC today, I'm going to select computer. And right now it's automatically set for the podium PC. If I were to bring my own laptop, I would just make sure that the laptop is connected via the port located behind the monitor, and I would just select here. But for right now, we're just going to stick with podium PC. Now, as far as the volume can be controlled again using the volume controls. It's located here. As you can also see, the display here is a little bit more simplistic than what you found in Visser Hall 118. If I wanted to mute all sounds, I would just go here and select mute. And then return back to the main menu, I would just select main menu. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn on the microphone. Now, as you can hear me over the mic. This is very sensitive, and you don't really need to speak very loudly in order for it to pick up your voice. And if I don't want to use the mic, I just return to the touch panel and select mic off. And as you can hear, the mic is off. Let's go back. We're going to go ahead and turn this back off and go back to mic on. Now, if I wanted to use the VCR and DVD combo that is located in the cabinet directly behind the podium, I would simply just make sure that all the pieces of equipment are activated and select from VCR or DVD player. Now, since VHS is going the way of all the earth, we probably don't want to use the VCR. And if you really wanted to use a DVD player, you can just rely on the DVD player that is located in the Podium PC. Now, if I wanted to shut down the room, what I would have to do is return to Main Menu and select Exit Room. And it's going to ask me, are you sure you want to turn the room off? And you have doing so will result in a cooldown period. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to say yes. And this concludes our session for today. Again, this is George Head for Technology and Computing Services. If you have any questions concerning any of the use of the equipment here in this room, just contact the help desk at 341-5555. Thank you.